Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today, this video will be about all the wig essentials that you need to make the bomb wig, okay? So take a look, and while you're doing that, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and guess what? Stay tuned. Hey, everybody. All right, let's get down to it. All right, the first thing is the Wig Canvas Head. Okay, I'm showing you two. This is the first one, and this is the second one. Okay, notice the sizes. Now, they're both 21 inches circumference. Okay, now do you see the difference? All right, this first one here, I used it when I first started out, but actually it's not the human head shape, okay? So it made my wigs a little ill-fitting. The second one here, you see the shape of it? This is the front, and this is the back with the occipital bone. It gives that realistic human head appearance, okay? It makes your wigs fit nicely. Okay, let's move on to the second item, the flexible measuring tape. You're going to need that to get your head measurements and also to draw your guidelines on your wig canvas head. Your wig cap for your wig canvas head. All right, and speaking of that, here are our wig caps. All right, the first one here is a mesh dome cap, which is kind of common, used by most wig makers. The second is the wig with the adjustable straps. Okay, there you go. Really don't like it. It's a little fragile, the material. But anyways. The next item, number 3, is the chalk writer. Oops, let me turn it around the right way. The chalk writer. This is used to draw the guidelines on your wig cap so you could sew them on straight. I got this from Michael's fabric store. Chalk writer. Okay, let me show you. When you put your wig cap on your canvas head, then you're going to use the chalk writer, like I said, to draw your guidelines. And the good thing about this is when you wash your units, those marks come off. Okay. Now, when you're sewing on your closure, this is the curved needle. You're going to need that. Next, we have our T-pins. This is to help secure your closure when you're sewing that on, and also just to secure the wig cap. This is a thicker thread, like a weaving thread. I use that to put on the closure, and this is 100% polyester thread. I use that also in the sewing machine. Now, the other thread, don't use it in the sewing machine. It's too thick. And we have our wig stand. You're going to need that to keep that wig head sturdy. All right. And also, we have the table wig stand. Just in case you're not able to get the wig stand, the floor one, you can use the table wig stand. It works just as well. Okay. Alrighty, moving along. Okay, here I'm moving all this stuff out the way. All right, you all, but I'm showing you this is how the canvas will go on that. And this is how the canvas head will stick on the table wig stand. All right. Okay. Also, I have these scissors. You're definitely going to need a pair of scissors. And the sewing machine. This is the Singer Traditional. And like I said, you're going to use the 100% polyester for your sewing machine. Okay? So let me just get to putting my supplies out the way. And last but not least, to make that wig, you're going to be using 3 bundles and a closure. Or maybe 4 bundles, depending on your preference of thickness. This is 3 bundles from sasspizzazextensions.com. This is the body wave texture. But I'm just showing you, you're definitely going to need some good quality here. Okay? That's the 3 bundles, and here is our closure. Okay? All right. Well, that is all that you're going to need to make that wig. So you get started. You could do it. Girl, I know you can. One more thing I forgot. Oh, this is the denim needle for your sewing machine. You probably can't see it. Sorry about that. Can you see it still? Nope, it's a glare. Okay, there you go. This is the denim needle for the sewing machine. Make sure you get extras. All right. All right. Just to let you know, hey, I started about a year ago, and I know you can do it too. All right. See you next video. Bye.